Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I have been gone forever. Today I'm going to be doing an updated brow tutorial, so if you want to see what's new, what's fresh in my brow life, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to show you how I'm going to sculpt them. I'm going to show you how microblading has made my life much easier. Those of you who have alopecia, I highly recommend getting someone who's highly trained in microblading because it's literally made my life so much easier. Okay guys, I like to start my brows by prepping them. I like to take this MAC Prep and Prime primer and apply that directly to my brow area as well as my brow lids. Now I'm going in with my brow lids pencil by Anastasia, and basically I'm just tracing out where my microblading is, and I like to keep the lines within my brow area because I don't like my eyebrows to get any thicker than what they are already. Now I like a really faded look, so I like to fill in the tail area, and then I like to work my way up towards the front with some hair-like strokes, and I get lighter as I get towards the front. Now I'm just checking to make sure they're as symmetrical as they can be. Remember guys, brows are not twins, but they can be sisters. Now, I like to set my brows and add some more dimension with my brow powder by Anastasia, going in with the flat brush and starting with the darker color. Essentially doing the same thing, I'm filling in the tail again, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some hair strokes towards the front of the brow. Now I'm going to go in with the lighter color, and I just like to put a little bit right in the front area just to add a little bit more dimension. I like to use the spoolie of my brow wiz pencil, and I just like to fade in and then blend in all the imperfections of my brow. Same with the other side. Now for the fun part, I like to carve out my brows with some concealer by Smashbox and a flat brush. This really sets your brows in place, it cleans it up, and any mistakes that you made, you can actually cover it up with the concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and just blend all that concealer out and prep that area for the next step, because I do plan on finishing my makeup after this brow tutorial, and if you guys want to see that video, I'll have a link below. I'm just checking to see if my brows are too long, because I've made that mistake before. Do any of you guys do this? I like to step back and make sure that I'm not missing anything, double checking everything. But yeah, here's my brows. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have any other tricks, comment below. Thanks guys for watching.